Yes, we're back. There is a bukid and it's gonna be farm life for 3 nights with my girls. See? So by the way, we are here in our new built cabin. Pero wapa na siya nahuman. Somewhere in 70-80%. So thank you kayo Lord. Recent struggle, but here we made it this far. So I'm gonna be having some videos around the farm, our Farmville. So we name it officially the Farmville GGA. So there, I look around and some of the daily things, daily routine we're up to in here. So katong nag-dream of the other side of life, the rural life, the countryside. So go get started because it's not that easy. It's not that quick to form all these things because farming really took a lot of time. The waiting, the planting and everything, the little progress, and of course the financing because mahal jud siya, but on our part, hinay-hinay lang. Unsay sobra, unsay what's in there to make, what's in there to do. So here, so maybe sometime if things are settled and if the fruit trees are in progress, or in the next 3 to 4 years, we're gonna be sharing this lot of ours. So welcome to the Farmville GGA. Close the door. Mm. Hadlok pa sila. Rolly, come. They're not coming out. Ho ho, ali ho. Uy, biyag. Oh, haha.
Awa ba kong ilis na kon balhibo ni haha mamay.
Ayay, morag nakakitag lungag. Ayay, bright kaayo. Ayay.
Asa to silig ni mo yung panglaon taning mga kuy.
Bito, pwede lang mga down lang yang para soft. Haha. Pregnant na sad ka? Tara, hoyi. Ara, hoho. Hali. Hali.
Kaon pa.
Hala. Wanay nakakita na res. Tanay usa ni Lusot. Sa larin. Alalala.
Mangita sa may kayo.
Asa nila?
Hi langga. O, 16 drops raman ang giingon yang. Pwede ra siguro atong kamuton lang. Filled man siya. So 1 liter, 4 ka drops man. So bisag di kayo puno ana iyang kanang teaspoon kay usa ka oh. Puno ra gali na iyo. Kay atong i-try diri oh. May pag-transplant ni nato no. Oh. Sus kung mo-grow niyang kuan gyud ni siya. Miracle.
Di man ang miracle. Abog mo may.
Okay. Kani sila okay, struggle. Basig mo work ni aning Hornex. Hormex?
Hadlok atong kagumay pa kay gamot.
Lagi kay dapat imong patubuon and then kung nana siya yung mga tulo upat ka dahon usa pa nimo i-transplant. Sumurag
Kato tagduha pa kay to.
timing ra sad ni. Tubo ha.
Tubo ni sila oy.
Pa harvest mi ha. Makakaon jud ko sa akong mulberry ron. So kaning
Ang ganahan ako mong kanang kumkaw ni mamay kay daghan kay siya graba niya.
dark mo ni atong pwede kanon.
Pwede yung kanon ng peng pero aslong.
Be.
Aslong kana.
Na imo to nabubuan tanan Joy katong ganina. So ma-save na tong katong murag na apiki nga tanom ni mama nimo. You have a good job making the fire. Harder no kay walay match. Okay. We'll enjoy that for the night. Good morning. Good morning. I think they're not very good. You have to. Mura crowded mo diri. Can you see that? So this one, the lantana, really attracts a lot of insects, butterflies. So the grass could be this tall. Kung di gid siya malimpyuhan sa, see? Ma-invade na siya sa coconut, oh. So that is why magpa-assist yung tag mga herbicides kay kung di maapas kung kanang mower lang, see? This part pero nabutangan na gali ni siya og ano, herbicide, oh. Another difference, oh. See the grass from here. Namatay na siya. And then this from the coop without the herbicide is green. So the chickens are still there. Wapakagawas. So later ato sila i-feed. Si nahawa na siya. Palayo lang na iyang kuan res. So ibasig na ay kuan ba na ay peste ba? It's Sunday here. So kinda cool ang weather. So naigamay hangin, no? Not should all the time nga kung sa bukid ka is expected nga bugnaw good. Siguro na ay mga places like that pero diri amo yeah, better if ingani because in the Philippines good init yun siya. So pwede you can hear the neighbors having karaoke time on a Sunday. So ako daog-daog ginagmay and savor the place, savor the moment. Thank you, Lord. It's a beautiful Sunday. We're here at the countryside. So it's dark na. Time for bonfire. Hi, girls. Hello. So you're pro na lagi in making the bonfire.
I love fire. It's my wallpaper.
Okay, so there. Siga na. So that means dark na. This is what it looks like at night. We have our neighbor dog. I think he's waiting amo siyang lawgan. And then some solar lights are on na. See that blinking? Okay. Another night here.
Tomorrow's gonna be the last night. So quick.
Oh, OMG, you're counting lagi the nights.